Hello. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this MettleMatic TW1. It's a walking pad, and that means it is a treadmill with 7% tilt. The optimal performance for our everyday life. The MettleMatic TW1 treadmill for home offers the perfect support for office workers and seniors with a powerful 2.25 HP motor and a load capacity of up to 100 kg. This is ideal for anyone who wants to stay fit even when the space is limited. It is robust construction, ensures durability and stability in any workout, whether we are walking gently or exercise more intensely. Individual adjustable training experiences are included. We adjust our training within 1 up to 6 km/h speed and 7% incline to our needs. This treadmill offers us the opportunity to achieve our fitness goals from the comfort of our home, whether we prefer gentle walking or are looking for a more demanding workout. The easy operation makes it suitable for beginners and advanced users. And everything monitoring of our progress, because the multifunctional display shows speed, time, distance, calories, and steps, and offers the opportunity to switch between metrics and imperial units. Perfect for anyone who wants to keep the track of their health status to efficiently achieve and continuously improve their fitness goals. And with joint-friendly design comes with the 7-layer thread of the walking pad, minimize the strain of the knees and ankles. It's ideal for older users and people which joint have problems. With a generous wide of 380mm, it offers enough space for safe and comfortable training, which protects the joints while being effective. And space-saving and particle. Thanks to the compact design, this treadmill can be easily stored on the wall or on the furniture, such as a sofa or a bed. This is ideal for small apartments or offices. This allows us to exercise anytime and anywhere without cutting the room. We stay flexible and fit regardless of our daily routine. And we trust the MettleMatic, because here it comes that cool treadmill. The machine is really easy to operate, as you can see. The parameters are the speed value, the exercise parameters are distance value, calorie values, and time value. The running mode is manual and countdown mode. We have the manual mode to switch for a manual go without a set target, or a countdown mode with a specific target that is be saved, and we can choose by using the remote control. And the remote control comes with a start and pause button, a stop button, a speed plus, a speed minus, and a mode button. We have speed from 1 km/h or 0.6 miles per hour up to 6 km/h or 3.8 miles per hour. The countdown time target is 5 minutes or 99-minute maximum. The countdown distance target is 0.5 km or 0.5 miles. 99.9 km is the highest maximum rate, or 99.9 miles. The countdown calorie target is 10 kilocalories or 990. The steps we can count from 1 up to 9,999. And the operation is really easy. As you can see, we push the start and pause button to start the machine. In manual mode, we press this button and the machine will start if we push the start and pause button. We press this button while it is running, the machine will pause and monitor where within the data. We press the button again, the machine will continue to run. It continues to accumulate the progress data and run at low speed to keep it safe. Then operation in stops means that it will be stopped, but slowly stop. When the machine is running, we press the button to stop the machine. And we have a mode. button for countdown mode, for example. In manual mode, we press the button to enter the countdown mode. We press the button when to stand by to enter a different countdown mode in order, time, distance, or calories. And if we push the plus button, the speed plus, we adjust the speed value while running. Adjust when the set target countdown, for example, 2. When the machine is running, we press the button to increase the speed once 0.1 mile per hour or 0.1 kilometer per hour. When the set time, distance, calorie countdown, we press this button to increase that target values. And when the machine is running, we can go down, of course, with the minus button. And we have, of course, an easy peasy operation with that. That means we can choose between different modes to get an editable workout for us on that machine here. But every time we have to start the machine by pause and play button, and we can stop it with the stop button, of course, or the pause button to make a pause, a workout pause. Cool machine. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.